Hey, it's Android Guy here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add ringtones in iPhone for free. Just follow my steps. Open browser and go to google.com and search for iPhone box. Click on second link and it will direct you to iPhone box website. Click on download button, version 3.0. I already download this, so I just click OK. But I will show you how to install this software. Go download folder and double click on iPhone box app. Select your language and click on next. Accept the agreement and click on next. Again click on next. And click on install to install the program. I already installed it, so will not installing it again. After installation, open iPhone box. Connect your iPhone using data cable. Go to quick toolbar section, then select ringtone option. You will see I already add a lot of ringtones. There's a import button. Click on that button. Another window come, click on browse ringtone button. The window will pop up again. Go to location where ringtone save. As you can see, I have lots of ringtones present in my computer. But I will importing ringtone closer. Select the ringtone and click on open. It will import ringtone and convert a not iPhone's format. You will see I import lots of ringtones in my phone. And selected ringtone is imported. Now I will show you ringtones in my iPhone.
I'll never forget this day. I'm gonna throw my memories away. Now I feel I'm done, and I'm cursed by every day till my time is gone.
You will see ringtone is imported. I think ringtone was present previously, that's why there are two ringtone of same name. Now I will play some of these. This is my favorite. Thanks. Please subscribe.